Hello everyone. We are a team of four first year undergraduate students from IIT Delhi here to present our MEP 101 course project. You will perhaps be shocked to know that 1 in 7 people on earth live at least a kilometer away from a usable water source, and 75% of girls between the ages of 15 to 17 drop out of school in Rajasthan due to pressurized of time. The amount of water a woman can approximately fetch in a day is about 20 liters. For a family of 4, that amounts to 5 liters per person per day against the required amount of 20 liters per person per day. Carrying such heavy weights leads to chronic back and shoulder pain as well as many other spinal problems and postural defects.
So we came up with a simple yet elegant product to solve this problem. Presenting to you the water transporter. So now let's have a look how our project works. We have a cap which can be opened to fill water into the water transporter. After the desirable amount of water has been filled, we can close the lid and then we can attach the handle to the water transporter. The handle is detachable and can be attached or removed at will. It can be attached by just a single person without any hassles.
So friends, another innovative part of the project is that we have made a wooden stand, and you can see that this part is inclined to the surface which make the rolling of our container at ease. And this part is used basically to stand still our container. Now we can easily remove our detachable handle so that we can keep this container as a storage system in home. You can see that we have a lid, and through this lid water can easily come out of a storage container through a matka or a container which is used in village.
So the reason for making it a cylinder rather than making a rectangular cart on wheels was so that it can cover all sorts of terrains. As you can see in the video, had there been a cart instead of the cylindrical roller, the cart might have overturned on the rough terrain. So this is how we made our project. First we took 0.7 mm thick galvanized iron sheet. The reason for taking galvanized iron was that it doesn't get rusted easily, but still the appropriate material for the project would be plastic, but due to non-availability we carried on with galvanized iron. And the reason for taking it to be 0.7 mm rather than 0.5 was so that during gas welding it doesn't get deformed easily. So this is how we made our project. We rolled this 0.7 mm thick sheet into a cylinder, and we did spot welding on the edge. This made the cylinder leak proof from this side. Then we made two lids of the same sheet and we hammered it on the edges and gas welded it to the cylinder. Then to make the handle we had to use ball bearings. Now since pipes were not that easily available in the workshop, we got a few pipes from the junkyard, measured their radius, and accordingly we bought the ball bearing from the market. Now after fitting the ball bearing, we took the appropriate dimensions and and then using electrode welding we made this handle.
So I am here to tell you about the problems we faced during the production of our product. First and foremost, as we have rolled a cylinder out here, when we tried to roll it, we didn't get a perfect circle. It was like approximately a circle. Secondly, when we were to make the lids for the container, we didn't make an exact circle. As on that, we had to go for welding along the circumference that would have been too fine to get done perfectly. Hence, we opted for a slightly bigger shape and then hammered the sides perpendicular to the circle we required and then got that welded. Another difficulty we faced was when we tried to get this part welded on the lid. As you can see, this part had been fitted by the bearing, and when we got it welded, the bearings got damaged. So we had to somehow remove the bearings and got new bearings and then had to fit them again in this pipe. Now let me tell you another difficulty we faced. While we had to make this handle, like these small sections we got earlier according to the bearing. On that we had to build this section and then this section. We got all our material from the junkyard, and the rods that we got in the junkyard were all very deformed. So first and foremost, we took the entire rod to the blacksmithy shop, then we straightened it, and after that, using the pipe bender, we had to bend it according to the dimensions we wanted.
On giving some more thoughts to our project, we discovered some potential extensions to it. Since the roller is rolling continuously for long distance, it can be used to generate small amount of electricity, which can be used for petty but essential things like phone charging, which is a major problem in villages. Also, it can be used for advertisements by private or public sector. Another possible extension is its use in irrigation.
रखनी है ना